Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to verify your email on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to store.steampowered.com. This is Steam's official storefront where you'll begin the account creation process. Once the page loads, look at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you'll have the option to either access an existing account or create a new one. On the login page, you'll see an option that says Create an Account. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start the registration process and set up your new Steam account from scratch. Clicking this button will bring up the account creation form, where you'll need to provide some basic information. Now you'll need to enter your email address in the first field. Make sure you use a valid email address that you have access to, as Steam will send important verification information to this email. After entering it once, you'll need to confirm your email address by typing it again in the second field. This double entry system helps prevent typos and ensures you've entered the correct email. Next, select your country by clicking the drop-down menu. This is important because it determines your regional settings, currency options, and which content is available in your area. Choose the country where you currently reside to ensure the best experience on the platform. Below that, you'll see a box beside I am human. Go ahead and check this box to verify that you're a real person and not an automated bot. This is a standard security measure that Steam uses to protect its platform. Right after that, you'll need to check another box beside I am 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. This confirms that you meet the age requirement and accept Steam's terms of service, which is necessary to create an account. Once you've completed all these fields and checked both boxes, click Continue. This will submit your information to Steam and trigger the verification process. At this point, Steam will send a verification email to the address you provided, so you'll need to access your inbox to complete the setup. Open a new tab in your browser and go to your email inbox. Look for an email from Steam. It should arrive within a few minutes of submitting your information. Once you find it, open the email and click on Verify My Email Address. This button will redirect you back to Steam's website and confirm that you own the email address you provided during registration. After clicking the verification link, you'll be taken to a page where you can finish account setup. This final step allows you to complete your profile and start using your newly verified Steam account. And that's it. You've successfully verified your email on Steam and your account is now ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.